Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the packager and how to use it in Astroneer. This is going to be useful if you want to travel to another planet using the medium or big shuttle and you want to travel with some equipment, for example like the atmospheric condenser, but it is too big to fit into the rocket, so you'll need to package it. So, to get the packager blueprint, first of all, go to the first tab, scroll all the way down, and here you should find the packager, and you'll need one graphite to craft it. Graphite can be found on every planet, on the surface, and on the starting planet you'll find it inside of the mountains biome. So, once you've gathered graphite, go to your backpack, and with the graphite in your inventory, here search the recipe for packager, and click this green button to craft it. Now once it's done crafting, just pick it up into your hands and click on any item that you want to package, and when it is going to show this green square right here, this means that you can package it. Now hold F on the packager, and as you can see, it is going to package anything that you stick it to. So I can pick my buggy and the rower seat, and as you can see now I can easily carry it around. And once you are done carrying it, you can just unpack it, just like if it came out of the printer. So this is pretty much all, how to get it and use. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.